this exercise, we're going to engage with your imagination. We all have imaginations. We can all imagine circumstances that aren't real. We can all ask ourselves the question, what would we do if a certain set of circumstances were true? For example, what would we do if we discovered our partner was pregnant with triplets? What would we do if we met our favourite singer, actor, or celebrity? What would we do if we're being chased by a monster? We don't need to believe in these circumstances. We don't need to believe they're actually happening. We need to play the game of imagining they're happening. When we watch children role play, they never believe they're on board a ship, floating through space, or about to meet the Gruffalo. They play as if these circumstances were real. As actors, we need to do the same. Our use of the imagination is no more complicated than that. When we engage with our imaginations, we will experience a change of emotion, physicality, and atmosphere. For this exercise, you'll need your phone. Go to your voice recorder and get ready to record an improvised monologue based on the following scenario. Imagine you've just found out that you've won the jackpot in the lottery. You've just checked your numbers and it's definitely you. You've called the number on the ticket. You've been told you're the only winner. How much money would that be? You're in the room or place you're in now. These are your given circumstances. However, there's no one around to tell. Pick up your phone and imagine you're calling the most important person in your life. This needs to be a real person and the first person who you'd want to tell. You call them. They don't reply. You decide to leave a voice message telling them about your win and what you plan to do with the money. Don't think about what you're going to say. Just say it as if these circumstances were real. You're going to record a message to your voice recorder as if leaving a message on their voicemail. Don't really call them. Before you record the message, think about what you might do physically if delivering the news. Would you sit, stand, pace? Are you going to use hands-free? The most important thing is that you have fun telling them what you've won and saying what you're going to do with the money. Don't set a time limit on the recording. Keep speaking until you've said everything you need to say.